Students, I got some information about the complication of domain and range of the function in the graph. See, let me write once again the thing. See, first one is for sin x, write clearly. For sin x, domain is the set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers. Range is -1 to 1 or -1 less than 1. Less or equal to. Remember, for sine function you can take any x, any angle. Total it is a real number. Whatever may be the real number you take. But the value of the function comes only in between -1 and 1. That is what the meaning. Got the idea clear? Domain means you can take any real number, but the value of the function will be only in between -1 and 1. It is called a range. Right, for all the function. For cos x, domain is the set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers. Range is once again -1, 1 or -1 less or equal to y less or equal to 1. There will be no change in the definition because same thing. Cos value also varies from -1 to 1. In the place of x you can take any real number. Got the doubt cleared, no? In the graph of the function, meaning of the statement is not clear. That is why I have given this particular explanation once again. Third one is for tan x. Domain is set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers. But remember, one particular condition I have not given there. That is why I got confusion. Tan x means sin by cos. No? Sin by cos means cos x must not be 0. Any number divided by 0 is not defined. So, avoid that particular thing. Set of all real numbers with, write that, with x not equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. N belongs to z. See? Denominator cos x becomes 0 when cos x is 0 only for x equal to 2n plus 1 by pi by 2. That means for pi by 2 cos pi by 2 0. Cos 3 pi by 2 is once again 0. Cos of 5 pi by 2 is once again 0. Totally odd multiple of pi by 2 always cos x is 0. So it is not defined. Okay, so except for x equal to this one. Range, what about the range? Range is set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers. That it is varies from -infinity to +infinity. Range is set of all real numbers. For cosecant x, write correctly in order to avoid the confusion. Domain is set of all real numbers with set of all real numbers with cosecant means it is reciprocal of sine. Sine must not be 0. Then it is not defined. So, sin x is not equal to 0 for which number? X not equal to n pi. N belongs to z. Z means set of integers. And range is the set. Range is the set of real numbers such that set of all y belongs to real number, y is greater or equal to 1 or y less or equal to minus 1. Write the range correctly. Since it is a reciprocal of sine value is greater than minus 1, less than 1. Therefore, its reciprocal is greater or equal to 1, less or equal to minus 1. Remember. Write the range correctly. Fifth one, for secant x, domain is set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers with x not equal to, because secant is the reciprocal of cos. Cos is must not be equal to 0 means x should be different from, see this one, 2n plus 1 pi by 2, n belongs to z. Cos is different from 0 there. Range is, once again same set, is the set of real numbers such that y belongs to R, y less or equal to minus 1 or y greater or equal to 1. And the last one is for cot x, domain of the function is set of all real numbers. With denominator for cot x is cos by sine. Sine x must not be equal to 0. So, domain is a set of all real numbers with x not equal to n pi. N belongs to z. And range is a set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers. In order to avoid the confusion given there in graph, let me write once again all the, what about the domain, what about the range. Now it is clear, I think. You can take any value for x, but the value of the function will be restricted. It is only in between these, any real number for 10, minus infinity to infinity. Only in between this one, see, it should be greater than 1, less than minus 1. Greater than, less than minus 1. For cot any real number. Over now. Write domain and range of all the 6 trigonometric functions carefully. Domain means for which value of x you can take. Which value for x you can take, any real number. Range means what is the value of that function. Cosecant x equal to how much? Sin x equal to how much? It is the range. Over, no? Yes. Next, from the exercise, let us do certain problems. Problem. Find the values of the following. Problem. Find the values of the following. Values of the following. Write slowly, carefully. Sign of 1, 1, 1, 0. Sign of 1, 1, 1, 0. Now you know the method. If the given angle is more than 360, what you have to do? Write that angle as a multiple of 360 plus 7, 20 plus 360, mostly 1080, plus, correct, no? 0, 11 minus 8, 3. Yes, correct. What I told you? Forget about this angle. Remember, you cannot write any multiple of angle. It should be multiple of 360 only. Remember, completed rotation. So the angle 1110 and 30 are one and the same. So you can write only sine of 30. Forget about the completed rotation. Leave that. Angle 1110 and 30 degree are one and the same. Same position you are getting. After completing 3 rotations, see, 1, 2, 3, you are coming to 30 degree only. Therefore, these 2 angles are one and the same. Anyway, sine 30, you know that, write the value. 1 by 2. From the chart, write the value. Got the idea clearly? Write slowly. Understanding each and every step, write the solution of the problem. These are the problems from the exercise. Cos of another one, see, minus 1710 degree. If the angle is negative, there are 2 methods I told you. There are 2 methods I told you. Let me do both the method. Whichever method you find is easier, you can do that. No problem. Here, the first method is, this should be subtracted. 1010 should be subtracted from the nearest multiple of 360. 1800, I think. Multiple of 360 greater than this is 1800. If you subtract, what you get? Cos 0, 9, correct, no? 10 minus 1, 9. 7 minus 7, 0. Yes, only 90. After subtraction, you get this. Remember, trigonometry ratio of this angle and 90 degree are one and the same. Therefore, cos 90 is 0. Another method, cos of minus 1710 degree can also be written as cos of 1710. Why? Because, go back to the list of formula, cos of minus theta is cos theta. Is it so? Trigonometry ratios of minus theta we have written there, no? Use that one. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. No change. Equal to cos of, this can be written as more than 360, 1440, 4 rotation completed, 0, 1 minus 7, 6 minus 270, cos of multiple of 360, leave it, 270, but cos 270 is 0. Answer will be the same, whatever may be the method. There are two methods to find the value of the negative angle. And choice is left to you. Which method you find it easier, you can do. Problem number 3. Sine of 765, positive angle. Sine of 765. Sine of 720 plus 45. 2 rotations completed, more than 360. Leave that particular 720. But sine 45 you already know. Right? Fourth one, they have given in, cosecant minus 1410. Which method you use? First method or second, whichever you want you can do. Shall I use the second method? Cosecant of minus theta is minus cosecant theta. Therefore, minus cosecant 1410 minus cosecant 1410 is 1080 plus, after completing 3 rotation, 0, 3, 11 minus 8, 3, 3 minus 3. 330. Or it is minus cosecant, leave that 1080, write only 330. Or it is minus cosecant. Do you remember this 330 is actually minus 30 degree. Minus 30 degree is the same as 330 degree. Minus cosecant of minus theta is minus cosecant theta. Cosecant of minus theta is minus cosecant theta. Cosecant of minus 30 is minus cosecant 30. Minus minus plus cosecant 30. Cosecant 30 is 2. Sin 30 1 by 2, cosecant 30 2. You find difficult? Shall I take second another method? Whichever may be the method you can use. Another method is for this one. If you find that one is easier, you can use, no doubt. Another method is or cosecant minus 1410 degree equal to. Another method, do you remember that? You have to subtract the angle from the nearest multiple of 360 greater than this 1440. Angle is the same. Subtract the given magnitude modulus of the angle from nearest multiple of 360, 1440. You get cosecant 0, 3, 3. Cosecant minus 30. 330 means it is minus 30. 330 degree is the same as minus 30. Equal. Cosecant minus theta is minus cosecant theta. Cosecant minus theta is minus cosecant theta. Answer is minus 2. What happens? See? Cosecant 1410 minus of cosecant cosecant 1080 plus 330, cosecant 330, cosecant of minus 30, minus of minus plus, cosecant 32. What happened here? 1440 subtraction 0, cosecant minus 30, minus cosecant 30, minus 2. Where you have gone wrong? Cosecant minus 1410. Cosecant 30. Is it correct? 0, 3, 8, 11, 1, 4, 1. Correct. Forget this. Cosecant 330. Cosecant 330 means cosecant minus 30. Minus of minus plus cosecant 32. This one is correct. Minus of, subtract the angle from nearest multiple of. Here we have done a mistake, sir. Correct, no? Yes, here. Students, note that subtraction I did 330. Actually it is 0. 4 minus 1, 3. 0. Only 30. I have written 330. Therefore it is 30. Cosecant 30. Cosecant 32. You must not be different. Cosecant 30, which is 2. Again, note the mistake I have done here. It is, so this point is not necessary. Straight away we are getting 30. 1440 minus 1410, I have written 330. Actually it is 30. Okay? Right. So whatever may be the method, you must get the same answer. Next problem. Fifth one. Tan of 19 pi by 3. It is in radian now. Angle is in radian. So radian means it is no doubt greater than 360. Method is, this can be written as a multiple of 360. 19 pi by 3. Actually it is multiple of 360 means in radian you have to write 2 pi. Actually here it is 6 times I think. 19 by 3. One by 3. Correct, no? 6. So it is 3 times plus pi by 3. Just let me verify whether it is so. 3 into 2 pi means 6 pi plus pi by 3. How much? LCM is 3. 18 pi plus pi. 19 pi by 3. Correct. Actually this one is a multiple of 360. But there is no degree. Only radian, no? 3 into 2 pi. Multiple of 2 pi now. Leave that particular number. Write only pi by 3. But pi by 3, 60 degree. Tan 60 is root 3. Even the given angle is in radian, you can write the values. Or you convert this one into degree, then write. If you find that one is easier, no problem. Total you must give the value, no? So whatever may be, if the angle is given in radian, convert it into degree, then write the answer. Problem number 6. Sin minus 11 pi by 3. Let us convert this one into degree first. It is easier. 11 into 180 divided by 3. Pi radian equal to 180 degree. Sin of minus 11 See, it is in degree now, no problem. Don't bother about the radian, convert it into degree, then find it easy. Equal to, if the angle is negative, immediately you have to subtract it from the nearest multiple of 360. And it is sine of 0, 6. Again careful, 0, 12 minus 6, 6 minus 6, only 60. Sine 60 over. Whatever may be the given angle, in radian itself it is difficult to convert that one into degree and then find the value. Homework. Cot minus 15 pi by 4. Let me give you some more problem. Second. 1470. Sine 1470. Third one, cos minus 1140. Enough. For you to work out at home, convert this into degree, then find, okay, no problem.